Can a seller of repaired or reconditioned goods use the original manufacturer's trademark on those goods? In Champion Spark Plug Company versus Sanders, the United States Supreme Court said yes, if the trademark accurately describes the used goods and consumers know what they're buying. Harry Sanders collected used Champion spark plugs, reconditioned them, and sold them. The reconditioned spark plugs were sold in an outer box that contained the Champion trademark on it. Sanders didn't put his own name anywhere on the packaging. Rather, only Champion's name appeared on the outer box. The inside boxes containing individual plugs indicated that the plugs were renewed. Each plug was also stamped renewed. However, the stamp used small blue letters that were illegible at times. Champion sued Sanders for trademark infringement and unfair competition. The federal district court found that Sanders had infringed. The district court permanently enjoined Sanders from selling any of the reconditioned plugs unless Sanders met certain conditions. First, Sanders had to remove the Champion trademark from the resold plugs. Second, the plugs had to be repainted a different color than what Champion used. Third, the word repaired had to be stamped on each plug in white paint, using font large enough to display each letter distinctly. Fourth, cartons containing the plugs had to tell consumers that the plugs were originally made by Champion and then repaired for use for up to 10,000 miles. Sanders appealed. The Second Circuit affirmed that Sanders infringed Champion's trademark and also concluded that Sanders engaged in unfair competition. However, the Second Circuit modified the district court's injunction. Sanders didn't have to remove the Champion trademark from the spark plugs. Instead of stamping each spark plug as repaired, Sanders could use the word repaired or the word used. The text needed only to be stamped in any contrasting color so that it was distinctly visible. Finally, Sanders could use a more general provision on the cartons instead of the precise wording the district court dictated. Champion appealed. The Supreme Court granted cert to resolve a conflict between the circuits.